Hello my students, how are you? Grade 3. Today we'll explain first lesson from Al-Moasser book. Second term, open with me the book from Al-Moasser. First lesson talk about what? Look at with me here. Lesson or chapter 7 first. Chapter 7 first, okay. Talk about associative property of multiplication, distributive property, estimating multiplication, about properties of addition. Listen to me here, like this. First lesson is chapter 7. Associative properties, you can put brackets to find the number. Associative property of multiplication, distributive property. The associative grouping property of multiplication. If we have 3 or more numbers, you can choose two numbers you want to multiply first or addition first. Like this, 3 times 2 times 4. First step, you can produce 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 4 equal to 24. Or 2 times 4, 8. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. As like, replace the two numbers, okay? Like this, 2 times 5 times 3, you can check your answer by write 2 and 3 in brackets, product by 5. 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 5 equals 30. And also 2 times 5 times 3, you can put brackets here about 3 and 5. 2 times 5 equal 30. Or 2 times 5 times 3, we can put product here, 2 times 5, 10, 10 times 3 equals 30. Then we have the same answer. You called it associative property. Commutative, it's mean replaced the place of two digits. Now I will distribute numbers using distributive properties about multiplication like this. 6 times 13, we can write 6 product by 13, write 6 product by, we can divide 13 equivalent 10 plus 3 like this and use distributive properties to find the answer. Okay, write 6 product by 10 and then 6 product by 3. 6 times 10 is 60 and 3 times 6 equal 18. Then you can collect together 8 plus 0 equal 8, 6 plus 1 equals 7. The result will be 78. Next question down. 6 times 6, 6 times 13. We can divide 16 equality to parts like this. 16 is 13. 13 times 6, write 6. Product by 13 equal 10 plus 3. Write 6 product by 10, distributive, and 6 times 3. 6 times 10 is 60. And 6 times 3 equal 18. You can collect 8 plus 0 equal 8, 6 plus 1 equals 7. Then the result will be 78. Look at here, this question. We can write space, look at here, 2, 1, 3, write 3 here. The missing number is 3. 3 times 2 times 6 equals 3 times 2 times 6, write 3 in the space. Okay, must write the missing number. 5 times 2 times 4, right here 4. In this place, write 4. Next question, 4 times 3 times 1 equal 4 times 1 times 3, 4 times 1, write 1 here. Write the missing number. Next question, letter E. 3 times 2 times 3 equal 3 times 3 times 1 times 2. Number 5 times 1 times 6, we can write here in space 6. Circle is the correct statement here. 3 times 2 times 4 choose letter 1. Circle this, it's true. Okay. The answer here will be letter 1. It's true. And this is true also. 3 times 4 times 2 or 3 times 2 times 4. The letter number 1. Number 3 and number 4 times 1 times 2, choose number 1, number 2, number 3 is correct, but plus here not correct. Next question, choose letter number 1 here, number 2 this, number 2, number 3, number 4, it's correct. But addition, cancel addition, okay, choose letter number 3 and number 4, it's correct. False because here addition. Multiplication, but here multiplication addition, it's false. 2 times 6 times 3, 2 times 6 times 3 is correct. Choose letter B to correct. Next question, 5 times 4 times 2, it will be 2 times 2, it's correct. 3 times 2 times 3, 3 times 5, no, because 3 times 2 is 6, is false. Question, 5 times 4 times 6, 5 times 4 times 6, equivalent, true, letter E, true. Next question, 4, 2, and 1, we can write here 4 times 2 equal 8, 8 times 1 equal 8. Understood? Here is the space 8, 4 times 2, 8. And then 8 times 1 equal 8. Next question, 4 product by what? 2 times 1 equal 2. Then 4 times 2 equal 8. Next question, 3 times 5 times 2. 3 times 5 equal 15. 15 product by 2 equal 30. Next question, 3 product by what? 5 times 2 equal 10. Then 3 times 10 is 30. Letter C. Listen to me, letter C. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 product by 2 is 40. And here 4 product by 5 times 2. 2 times 5, 10. 4 times 10 is 40. Six times 2 is 12. 12 times 1 is 12. 6 times 2 times 1, right? 6 times 2 times 1 equal to 6 times 2 is 12. 3 times, here, look at here, 4 times 2 equal 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 3 times 2 times 2, we know 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 4 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 equal 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Circle statement blue. 10 times 2 times 5. 9 times 2 10. 2 times 5 10. 10 times 9. Choose letter. It's correct. Also here 5 times 2 times 5. Same. Choose this. Choose 9. 9 times 2 times 5, and here 9 times 10. They are correct. Question. Circle is correct here. 4 times 10 times 3. We choose last one. Replace numbers. Choose this. Correct. And 3 times 10 30. 30 times 4. And this is not correct. Choose 4 times 3 times 10 or 4 times 30. Circle statement blue. 8 times 5 times 2 times 5 is 40. You can choose first one. 2 times 5 10. 10 times 8. 8 times 10. 5 times 10 times 3. We have 10 times 3 times 5. It's correct. And we have 30 because 3 times 10, look at here, 3 times 10, 30, 3 times 5. 5 times 13, no, it's false, and this is false. Can use distributive property to sign the answer here. Product by 12. We can write choose 12 equal 10 plus 2. To solve this example like this, 8 product by 12. Look at here, we can write 8 product by 12 equal 10 plus 2 and use distributive properties. Write n times 8 times 10 and then 8 times 2. 8 times 10 equal 80 and 8 times 2 equals 16. We can collect 6 plus 0, 6, 8 plus 1 equal 9. It will be 96. Seven times 14. 14 equal 10 plus 4. 14 equal 10 plus 4. We have 7 times 10 and 7 times 4. 7 times 10 is 70 and 7 times 4 equal 28. You can collect 8 plus 0 equal 8, 7 plus 2 equal 9. The result will be 98. Understood? Next, let's see, 3 times 16. You can choose 16, any number, some of them equal 16, like 10 and 6. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Then you can write 3 product by 16 equal 3 product by 10 plus 6. And then using distributive property, 3 times 10 and 3 times 6. 3 times 10 is 30 and 3 times 6 18. You can collect 8 plus 0 8, 3 plus 1 equal 4. Choose the correct answer. 6 times 15 equals 6 times 5 plus what? We use here distributive properties. Choose 6 times what? 6 times 10. Choose the 6 times 10 because look at here steps. 6 times 15 equals 6 times 5. 6 times what? 15 equal 5 plus 10. Then choose 6 times 10. Then numerator B. 3 times what? Equals 3 times 7 plus 3 times 3. 3 here is a constant. Then we can add 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 equal 10. You must write 10 in the space. Choose 10 here. Times 16 equal 8 times 10 plus space times 6. 16 equal 10 plus 6, and then 8 was constant. 8 here constant. Next question. 5 times 10 in brackets plus 5 times 2 equal what? We have 5 constant, and 10 plus 2 equal 12. Then we choose 5 times 12. We choose this answer, 5 times 12. Down, letter E. 4 times 1 in brackets plus 4 times 6. 4 times 1, it will be 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Then we can collect, it will be 28. Choose 28, okay? Letter F. 5 times 7 plus 5 times 8. 5 times 7 plus 5 times 8. We have 5 constant here, right? 5 constant, and 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 equal 15. Choose last one.